Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the display section, and then to the wallpaper. You can select one of the pre-installed wallpapers. You have like these ones, but you can also select any other image that you can download from the internet or just take it with your phone's camera by going to the gallery, then select an image. Here you can adjust this image and then tap set wallpaper. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.